dead. Welcome. We are live. Yes, we are testing. Me. We are good to go. All right. Welcome to my resource manager challenge. I am dreading this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna try. I find this very hard to accomplish. I don't know. I'm gonna try my best. First attempt. Let's go. So new games. Easy. Easy. Let's go. I'm gonna mute during the cutscene, sorry. Shh.
Hey, baby! I just wanted to send a quick hello and I love you. Oh, good news! I'm gonna be coming home soon. Yay! Oh, I cannot wait to be done with this babysitting job and come home to my loving husband. I miss you. Oh, I gotta get back to work. I love you, Ethan. I miss you so much. I'm sending tons of kisses. Bye, baby.
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this, stay away.
Hello?
Hey, it's Ethan.
Oh, hey. You alright? You just disappeared the other night.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. It's Mia. She's not dead, she's alive. She's back.
They found her? How? What happened?
I don't know. Look, I don't know how, but she's back. She's back somehow. Maybe it's a prank, but she wants me to come and get her.
Where is she?
Dulvey, Louisiana.
Dude, it's been 3 years.
I know, but what if it is her? I have to find out what happened.
Okay. I like that he said, what if it's a prank? Wow, that would be a very, very bad taste. Anybody who did a prank like that. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's do this. I want to do this.
This is the place.
It's weird that this is not the same house. It looks like it, but it's not the same house, is it? Or maybe it's the back door. Yeah, I think it's the back door of the house, actually. I don't know. The back entrance? Or maybe it's the front entrance. I don't know. Look at Mr. Jack Baker taking a stroll. Come on. Come on.
Damn it.
Huh, it's funny, it still appears on that side. I tried to go to the right-est side, hugging the right side, but it didn't work. He still showed up right in my face. Alright, let's go. Sam!
Yeah.
Welcome! Welcome, Sam! Mia?
Mia. Oh, thank God I found you. It's me. It's Ethan.
Ethan? Ethan?
Are you alright?
You shouldn't be here.
What do you mean? You contacted me.
No, I wouldn't. Did I? Did anyone see you? Did he see you?
Hey, who else is here? What the hell's going on?
Daddy's coming. We need to go.
Daddy?
We need to go now!
Alright, let's let her do her thing. It's funny how my shadow has a head, but actually the game didn't texture a head in this character. Come on, you're still waiting for me? Come on.
Where are you taking me?
Someplace safe.
You're very
Tell me
welcome,
what's going
Sam.
on?
My pleasure.
Baby, you've been gone 3 years.
3 years? Has it really been 3 years?
What is this place? What'd they do to you?
Not now. We need to get out of here first. I think it's this way.
These are like bags of meat. Yeah, they are.
Mia, we have to talk. That message you sent me.
Not me. That wasn't me.
But you did.
I didn't.
Okay, fine. Just tell me what's going on.
I'm telling you everything that I know.
Come on.
We have to go this way.
on.
Mia, are you sure you know where you're going?
Family used to bring me food through here. I remember.
Hey, Xeron, welcome. Did I say that right? Xeron? Xeron? Welcome.
There.
It's
It's
there.
there.
I'm sorry, I saw somebody do that, and I thought it would be funny to do that too.
I remember this room. There's another door here. I'm sure of it. It's not here. It's gone. It's gone. We're gonna be a family now that you're here. There's another door here, I'm sure of it.
Right, go.
No, leave me alone!
Alright, let's do this. There's nothing in there. This is the part I hate the most. This part and the Jack fight as well. I'm not a big fan of those.
Mia, wait! Wait!
I can hear her. I can feel her clawing her way back inside of me. Get out! Leave me alone! I've been back. I deserve this.
The fuck are you, Mia?
Come on, Mia. Come on, Trigger.
Leave me!
Let's go. Button mashing at its best.
You really shouldn't have come here.
Who's this? And what the fuck is going on?
My name's Zoe. There should be a way out through the attic.
Attic.
Go there. Now.
I love how she teleported. She was just there.
Ethan, it's okay. It's okay, it's me. I know you didn't mean to hurt me.
You shouldn't have done that!
These are just failed attempts. It would never move me on time.
Now, let's see how you feel.
And she's gonna take off. That's it.
It's my job. Must contain the outbreak. Gonna quit. I promise. Must burn it all down.
Nothing here.
Okay, fine.
If I fail this one, I'm gonna cry.
It's up to me.
Come on, girl. Oh, that was easy. I forgot how easy it was.
Welcome to the family, son.
There we go. Take a sip of water.
Come on. Don't you die on us now. You have work to do.
I wonder which room is this.
Where am I? What the hell?
Rise and shine, sleepyhead. It's time for supper.
Who are all you people? Where's Mia?
Eat it. It's good.
Dumb son bitch wasn't no good if it hit him.
Yes.
I'm noticing that. Ooh, I'm gonna look away. I'm gonna look at Granny. You know, I'm noticing that the camera automatically turns back to where it wants you to look, but you see, it doesn't let you look away.
Oh shit, he's not eating it, Jack! He's not eating it!
Shut the hell up, Marguerite!
Nation for him!
Get the hell out of here!
You're a son
See, it doesn't let you walk away.
God damn it! I'll bet it's that cop again.
Goddamn pigs! I'm coming back for you.
That was a very fragile chair. Did the chair break? No, I don't know what was really fragile, but anyway. Alright, now it begins. The mission. I'm gonna leave this door open. I don't think I can leave this door open actually. Nothing in here? Alright, let's go. And let's just do this. I've seen people do this. I can pull this off. I'm sure I can. I'm sure I can. I'm sure I can. No. Whoa, I did. I pulled this off.
Dinner
Wow.
was done.
Come on, 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 come on. Alright, we did it. Nice. Now I figured since this is gonna be a 3-time item box open challenge, I am going to use one of them right now. The openings. Alright, what's in here? Do I need this? I don't think so. So, I'm gonna keep the coins. That's one. So, I'm not gonna pick up the Albert because I'm gonna have to pick up a gun anyway. Secrets of Defense. Do I need it? Infinite ammo, yes, please. X-ray glasses, yes, please. Dirty coin, no, thank you. And the circular saw. Should I take the Secrets of Defense? It's an easy mode game, so I don't know if I should. Yes or no? Yes or no? I think we're gonna be okay. I don't know. I don't know. I'm so confused if I should do this. It's on easy mode, so I'm gonna be okay, I think. Let's play it safe. Let's play it safe. Oh yeah. That's right.
You did good, Ethan.
Zoe, right? What the fuck are these?
Shut up and listen if you want to stay alive. You gotta get out of that house. There might be a way out through the main hall.
All right.
Oh, and that thing on your wrist is a codex. Don't lose it. It's important.
I want to check something regarding the...
Hell of a girl.
Hang on. Options. It shows that... No, these are... No. Stats. "17 out of 20. You see? So the... Let's see, did I get that one? Still 17. So I'm missing 3. I wonder which ones they are. Yeah. Anyway. Whatevs. Let's go. Hello, Jill. Welcome. Nice to see you. Still hasn't been triggered, really? Do I check the door? What? There we go. Come on.
Hey, over here.
Hey, you gotta help me.
Hold on, back up. Now, sir, do you live here? I mean, is this your property?
What? Me? No. No.
All right. Now, we got several calls about some missing persons lately.
You don't understand. I gotta get out of here.
Now, calm down.
You're not listening to me. There are crazy people in this house trying to fucking kill me.
Well, all right. Let me tell you this. You don't exactly seem like you playing with a full deck yourself, all right?
Are you kidding me?
Look, like I said, we've had several missing persons calls. And I can't rule out that an outsider like yourself may not be involved.
All right. I'll tell you whatever you want.
All right. Now, that's more like it. Now, meet me in the garage. We'll talk later.
Hey, wait. You gotta give me your gun.
You must have lost your mind.
Look, officer.
Deputy.
Right. Deputy. Now, do you want to see my name in the obituaries? Or do you want to be a hero and save my life? A fucking pocket knife?
Here. Take it. That's all you're gonna get. Now go. Garage. Now.
What am I gonna
I
do
don't
with a
know,
knife?
but I don't need ammo. Right? I don't need ammo. Because it's the first time I'm using infinite ammo as well.
Hey, we gotta get the fuck out of here.
Now first you need to tell me what you're doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
No, it's my job. Why don't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not gonna believe me if I told you.
Try me. Hey!
I don't want to see this.
Put that door back up!
I don't have to see this. You know what? This is easier, I think.
Fuck it! I'm gonna kill everyone! You kill me, then I can come right on back! That all you got?
Exposing his skeleton.
Fuck you and the horse you rode in on. That tickles, boy.
He's going in the car now.
Better start running, boy.
Did he die? Oh wow, he didn't even... There we go. Alright, we're doing this. We're doing this. Alright, I must make sure I don't... Well, I mean, I don't need to... I can discard stuff, so... Let me see. What if I wanted to discard the knife right now? It doesn't let you, so I'm gonna have to carry that with me throughout the whole game. Ah, well. I think we're gonna be okay. I don't need the key.
Do I have your attention, boy? You're about to see some wonderful.
I didn't see that. I forgot to look away. Oh, you guys. Shotgun shells. No, thank you. I was supposed to do the stream yesterday, but stuff happened and I wasn't able to do the stream. Bro. Thank you, Jill. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so let's do this. Uh-huh. I don't think it's gonna be as hard as I think it is.
Did my daddy give you a hard time?
That's your father?
He used to be.
I'm sorry, but he's dead now.
You just might be able to pull this off.
What? Pull what off?
There's something I need you to do, but I can't explain it right now. You may need some sort of keys to do it, but find a way out of the house.
Okay.
I'll be in touch.
Alright, so. I'm just curious to see what's what here. Coin, thank yous. No thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, I'm running out of inventory space already, so I need to be careful. Up we go. What is this? Herb, yes please. Hold on. 2 more slots. Anything in here? I'll take that. Just make sure I'm still good on space. But anyway, if worst case scenario, I'll just use some healing. If I get 9 coins, I'll get the thing. Let's go. I'll get the Magnum. He's coming. He's coming.
Heck of a thing, ain't it? Sure shit beats the hell out of dying. My little girl has given us a gift. As you... Which in a word means... You're fucked! You kill me, and I just come right on back!
Drunk, man. Okay, we're good. Out of here. Out. Okay. Anything in here? I'm looking for coins. I'm gonna try not to pick up the scorpion key. I don't think I need it.
Who builds this shit?
All right. Nothing. Do I need it? Sure, why not? Let's pick it up. Oops, that's not what I had in mind. Oops, wrong button. That's okay. Sweet, sweet herbage. Alright, we're good here. Anything in here? No, out.
What the?
Oh, rip. All right. There's no point to this room. Unless I want to save, but there's no point in saving either. Inventory space, how am I doing? It's okay, we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay, if I do say so myself. Have a great time. Now this guy. Okay. Strong chemical fluid. No. Coin. Coin. Give me a coin. No. I'm looking for coins. Nothing. Out. Can I grab the key? I always wondered if I could grab the key. Yes, I can. I did. Bye, have a great time. Nice. I always wondered if I could do that. It looks like I can. I'm always curious to see what's in the box, even though I don't need anything. And I only got one slot left. Ah, the key. The key. I'm not gonna pick up the key. I don't need the key. Lockpick. No. Herbage. Sure. Why not? Chem fluid. Yeah, sure. I don't need to be down here. Oh, hello. Hello, sir. Understand. There's another one. I don't have enough space. I need to pick up. Actually, now I freed up. I don't need to do the cutscene. And do I need the herb? I'm gonna pick it up. Let's go. I hate this fight. This is my least favorite fight, I think. Is there anything in here that I need? Hopefully coins. Coins I'm after. Out.
You think you can hurt me? That's not good.
Wow, that was the fastest I ever... Wow. Uh-oh, I don't have enough space. I don't have enough space. Huh. Hold on, alright, I'll just use that one then. And now I should have enough space.
Do me a favor and stay dead.
Alright, let's do this. I got the item slot back, so... Thank you. Oh, I forgot to pick up the other dog's head. I forgot. That's fine. I'm gonna be okay. Bro, that was really fast, but again, it's on easy, so... I'm playing it safe on easy just because I'm doing this challenge. Why am I in this room? It's like my instinct drives me to this room. Out. I hated that you cannot discard key items. You know, keys. I hate that you cannot discard keys. That's what I mean. Alright, so we are done here. Out. That's why I didn't pick up the scorpion key, because you don't need it. It's already bad enough that I have to pick up the crow and the snake. So you have to go back up real quick for the other dog's head. I forgot about it. In there is the shotgun. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Hello. I'm looking for the book. Where's the book? Thank you very much. Now I'm full, yes? Yep, so I'm looking maybe for a coin. Is there a coin around? Coin. Here we go. How many do I have now? 5. Out. Anything in here? Nope. Oh, shortcut. And we are out. Yeah, baby. Did I get any new ones, just in case? Stats. I was on 17. Yeah, still on 17. Now then. Nine. Oh, another coin. Oops. Should I get rid of the coins for now?
You made it. You're the first I've ever seen make it this far.
So what is it you need me to do? Is it gonna help me get out of here?
Yes. Now listen carefully, Ethan. My family and our bodies are contaminated. I can't leave the property unless I get it out. And the same goes for Mia.
Is there a way to get it out?
We need the serum. It should clear whatever this stuff is out of the body. As long as you're not too far gone.
How many hours would it take me
So where
to
is
do
it?
this run? I don't know. Less than 3 hours for sure. Definitely. Less than 3 hours. I'm hoping maybe 2?
So if we get this
Maybe
thing,
2
I
hours?
can help Mia and
I'm
we can
hoping
get
for
out
a
of here.
2 hour.
Right. And so can
I don't know if this is gonna cause me a lot of backtracking since...
All right.
I don't know if it's gonna cause me a lot of backtracking since I'm very limited on items that I can carry, you see?
They'll be looking for you.
We'll see. Should I put them, the coins in there already to get rid of a slot? Maybe I should. Let's do that. And we get the gun. Alright, we're done. I got another slot at least now. Let's go. Anything in here that I might need? Oh, there's the... I don't need that. I have to be careful not to pick up anything that I don't need, because if I do, I'm doomed. Anything here? No. Here we go. I hate those bugs. Now what I'm not so sure of is these. Can I shoot them? Yes, I can. Wow, nice. Okay. I didn't know that. I thought you needed a flamethrower to do that, you see? Burner fuel. No, thank you. I'm not gonna pick that up. No. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry. They're gone too. Chemical fluid. Yeah, sure. I'm sure I got this one too. Another coin! Nice. Only one space left. Oops. Be careful, buddy. I don't want to talk to you. Bye.
Ethan.
Stay the fuck out!
Now then. Oh. Oh, come on. Has to be another coin here? No? Right, where's the bag? I'm looking for the bag. Either it's in this room or... There we go. Please, bag, be in here. No, the bag is not in here. No bag. Oh, I'm full of items. Okay, yes, I have to go for the bag. You see, this is what's gonna slow me down a little bit, but... What's in there? Is it worth it? Whoa. Ouch. Run. I'm gonna stay here because I don't feel like fighting her. Or maybe I do feel like fighting her.
Get out!
Let's go. Nope. Nothing in there. Let's do the statuette thing. Statuette. So it saves another item slot. We're gonna be okay in this game, I think. Out. No. Looking for coins. Bag. Oh, now I can carry more items. Did I get that one before? Let's see. So I have to keep checking now. No, still at 17. Still at 17. Nothing else I need here. Let's go. Coins. I need the coins.
Fuck! Jesus, fuck!
No. No. Nope. Actually, yes. This is how I get rid of bugs. Alright. We've checked here already. Alright. How am I doing? I have to carry this with me now all the way. There's something over there. Nope. Now where do I go from here? Oh yes, the bridge. There we go. Nothing. Oh. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna bother with this one. There we go. Nice. Sure. Now I have to pick up the key. Oh, there's another coin over there. Nice. Now I have to pick up the coin, whether I like it or not. Not the coin, sorry. I mean... the key. And I'm gonna have to carry it with me throughout the whole game. No choice. Do I have enough coins? How many did I have earlier? I got 2. Do I have enough? I'm gonna go quickly check real quick. I don't care, I'm gonna go check. I think I had 6 earlier. I remembered where there's another coin. Oh, I just remembered. Hold on, no, I don't think it's a coin in here. No, it's not a coin. Yeah, I'm 1 short. Ah! I'm 1 coin away from that Magnum. Oh well. Hold on, there's something here I think as well. There we go. I got my Magnum. Nice. I'm not gonna pick up... Well, should I pick up the coins now? Once I got this? I don't know. Let's see. Magnum. Now my question is, can I discard the gun? Nope, I'm gonna have to carry it with me. Weskerade! No way! Oh my goodness! Weskerade! Oh, that's so awesome. Thank you so much. Hold on. I need to call out everyone. I'm gonna give a shout out to everyone. So, there's Magma, Ghetto Pharmacist, Khaled, Gideon Smith, another Smith. Oh, Magma, Kimo, MSKK888, and there's Wesker, and there's Eric York, oh man, Big Boss, Countless, Glenny, Tierra, Sergio. Thank you for the sub, Blood Mary. Says Terry, Karin, oh man, Abdullah, Terry, Daniel, JB, Venom, El Witchy, I hope I don't forget anything or anyone. Vigano, Wrecked Gaming, Ellie, oh man, you're also awesome. Rodrigo, Nightmare. I may go through this. They take me forever to go through all the names. Anonymous, Savage, that's so awesome. Thank you so much. Am I FM Alcoholic? Oh, that's so cool. That's so nice of you. Thank you so much. So what I'm doing here, as you may have seen from the title of the stream, I'm doing the... What's it called? What's it called? The resource manager. The resource manager thing. And I'm trying my best to survive. I just discovered that I cannot discard the weapons, so... Look. So, yeah, but at least I got my, my Magnum. It's gonna make things easier, I think. Thank you so much for the Wesker raid. Hey, Angel. This is vloggy. This is vloggy indeed. Alright, I'm about to fight the witch. The witch with the waffle poo. Thank you so much for the raid, Wesker. You are awesome. I love you, buddy. I love you. Alright, so. I thought it was gonna be harder. to deal with this, but it's not that bad actually. Thank you for the sub, Khaled. Thank you so much. There she is, the beauty queen. I'm glad you do, Blood Mary. I tried my best to keep you entertained. This is why I got the gun. Let's see how many shots it's gonna take. Let's see how many shots of Magnum it's gonna take her to go down. Let's see. That's why I got the Magnum. I wanted to try this. 1. That's 1. Is she coming back? Where'd she go? That's it. 2. Let's go. That's 2 of them. Sorry, I missed out. Shaker, thank you so much. Sergio, thank you so much for the subscribe. And thank you so much, Savage. Alright, so she's done. Thank you for the sub, Ala Shaker. Thank you so much. Amy! Amy! Where's the pipes? No pipes in this game, I think. No pipes, eh? Oh, you have to use the key now. Thank you for the subscribe, Savage. Okay, now, Open! Karin just subscribed. Thank you so much. Opening the box.
What the?
Come on, open. No, I summon you to ring. Ring. Phone ring, please. No? No, it's not supposed to ring now, is it? I don't know. Okay. Anti-coin. Shall I? No. Definitely not. No more coins. Who else subscribed? Sorry. Countess, thank you so much. And there's FMA Alcoholic, thank you so much. And Shasha, thank you for subscribing. What's going on in chat? I haven't looked at chat in a while. That is the Pokemon tune. Not bad, thanks. Been sleeping. I'm not gonna pick up the... Oh, hello. How am I doing with Mr. Everywhere's actually? Hold on. I'm still missing 3. I don't know where they are. God dang it. One of these days I'm gonna have to do like a checklist run. Phone, you gonna ring? Oh man, come on. I had to check this, that's why. Oh. Ring. There we go. I had to read.
Well,
yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so.
I just got
Wesker,
done
yeah, I
dealing
think
with your
so.
mom and her fucking bugs. Wish you could have warned me.
sorry about that.
Because the thing is this, you open the item box 3 times, but the game makes you open and close twice of those 3. So you only have to 1 instance.
A head? I think I have that around here somewhere.
You do?
It's raining subscribers. I know, right?
Have you searched the whole house?
No, not yet.
It's been a while since that happened. I think the last time that happened was another Wesker raid, actually. Oh man. Alright, let's go. Out. Oh, I can't wait to fight you, babe. I like that. I like that expression. Nobody's ever used that expression in a Resident Evil game. That's special. You see a lot of special things in Resident Evil games. I like that Ethan used that expression. I only have 1 slot left. Actually, hold on. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. There we go. Now I have 3 slots. Nope. I'm gonna pick these up, you know, for a rainy day, just in case. No, thank you. No, thank you. Let's do this. How did you kill Evelyn in the attic with 3 remote bombs? And 3 like grenade, okay, and 3 grenade rounds. There's actually a trick, Wesker. I don't know if you knew that. There's a trick at the end of the Evelyn battle. What you can do, you can die on purpose if you want. You can die, and then when you get the game over screen, you can, you know, there's the retry, there's the quit, and there's another one that says manage your items. You get to manage your items without, and it doesn't count as opening the box. So yeah, yes, I am Maltese. All right, let's go. There's a way to avoid her grabbing you. Oh, seriously? Seriously? There's a way to avoid her from grabbing you. Well, I was never able to pull that off, I think. Now, where is she? Come get some! Come get some of this. Where is she? Princess? Bay? There she is. Boo! Right in the kisser. Don't you go in. Aw. Girl. Yes, it is PS4, yes. Yes. Yes, it is. No, I heard that it doesn't. Unless they patched it. You know, we're getting some patches now. I don't know if they changed it, but yeah. I hope it doesn't, because I'm gonna... I'll save right before I attempt it, just to be on the safe side. Where is she? Princess? There you are. That's it. GG. I love this gun. I love you, Magnum. Now, how did she manage to get the lantern inside of her? That is the question. How did she get the lantern inside of her? Did she eat it? Hmm? Oh yeah, no pants in these streams. No pants. No pants. Pants are forbidden. No, they're not forbidden, but... Alright, we are done here. I don't have enough space. Oopsie. I'm gonna be okay. You know what? I'm lost. Where's the way out? This is so disorienting. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go. Game. Oh, it's over here, I think. Nope, I unlocked it. Yeah, there we go. What? There we go. Can I speak Italian? Yes, I can. Sì, posso parlare italiano. I gave you the impression that I can speak Italian. I mean, I gave you the impression. I think you could tell that I could speak Italian because of my accent, probably, yes? Probably. Probably. What's SDW? What's SDW? Oh, what am I missing? What about Arabic? No, but Maltese is very close to Arabic. It's a Semitic language. Malta has a history of being overrun. Overrun? Is that it? Is that the word? Overrun? No, it's not overrun. Being under the influence. Well, We were under the influence of the French. We're what's the word? Oh man, hundreds and hundreds of years ago, Malta was taken over by the French and the Romans, I think, and even the Arabs. Malta was like under the Arabic influence for like 600 years, and that's how our language evolved. It's a mix of English, Arabic. Nice try, game. English, Arabic, Italian. Did you guys notice that this guy, you can see him getting molded? Look at him. He's mold free right now, okay? Look at this. You see he's getting molded? Look at him. You see that? Did you see that? Okay. Anyway, yes, so Maltese is a mixture of Arabic, Italian, English. Hold on. Sorry. Takes me forever to get a point across when I'm playing a game. I'm not very good at multitasking. Sorry.
Stay away.
Let's go. Now this would be me in real life. If I had to pull this out, I would be like this. Ew, ew. I'd be pulling it out, but I'd be like, ew, I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Am I done?
Guess this is it.
Ooh, ew. We're good. Let's go. She teleported. You see? I'm about to shoot a molded with this gun for the first time ever. Are you guys ready? Hello. Oops. Oh. Wow, I should have gone for a headshot, but there we go. It's so dark, I get disoriented really fast in this game, in this area. And we're out. Bye. We're done. Out. Whew. Okay. I'm sorry I'm not looking at chat much. Sorry. Where am I from? I'm from Malta. In the Mediterranean.
Did you find it?
Yeah, I got it. Are we really gonna be able to make serum with this thing?
It'll be fine. After we make it.
You speak English and your native language is Portuguese. So you speak two languages. That's good. That is good. I think that's still above average. Now, shortcut. Well, actually, I don't know if it's a shortcut, but... Your parents are both born in Italy. Okay. Yeah, it is close. Very close. In fact, you can go to Sicily with a ferry. Wow, I am so full.
Now, where the hell are you? You know, never mind. We only need the head, and you've got it. This is gonna help me and me, right?
Yes, Gideon. You know it. Yes. It, in fact, we call it the Great Siege.
And Mia are here with me. And they're keeping each other company.
Just let them both go! What do you need them for?
That's family business, Ethan, and not your concern.
I think Lucas is a great character in this game, but I think they overacted him too much.
Feel free to
Too
come by
much.
anytime
Listen
I'll
to the way he
give it
talks.
to you. But only if you participate in a little activity.
He shouldn't have been like that. You know, that's not how normal people talk. But then again, Bloggy, he's not a normal person. Yeah, but still, I think he's too much. I think it's too much. They tried to make him into a Joker. You can't pull that off. How many times have I opened the item box so far? Once. Once. And now I'm saving the other two for when I actually have to. When Lucas is gonna make me, and then when I have to pick up the items one more time. We'll see. You're 3,000 years old. I was looking at the differences between this game, this version of the game, and the Japanese version, the grotesque version. It's called grotesque, but it's actually censored a lot. Like for instance, this part, you don't actually see it. You don't actually get a head. You actually just get a note. Very interesting. How am I doing with... Okay. Also, this is my first time playing this game with infinite ammo. Shouldn't there be molded in here now? Hello? Molded, please? Okay, maybe I'm wrong. So, where do I go from here? I'm trying to think. I have the crow key. So, where's the crow? Oh, yeah, I need to go down to the basement now. So, this way. You're from Calabria. Alright. Okay, I've been to Calabria actually. Funny story actually. I decided to... Is there any key items in here? Do I need to... I'm not gonna pick up the grenade launcher for sure. I'm just gonna open the door real quick. But I'm not gonna pick up the... It's not like I have the space for it anyway, so... There's no key items in here, eh? No, I'm not gonna pick up the grenade launcher. I'm gonna tell you my Calabria story real quick. Hold on. Okay. So. Oh, hello. So we decided to go to the beach with a difference. We decided to go to Reggio Calabria for the day. As a beach outing. So we went on a plane. It was like a 20-minute flight. It was a 20-minute flight. We went on the plane with like our swimming shorts, with our swimming shorts with the towel. It was so funny, and we spent the day in Calabria on the beach, drinking, swimming, and then by 10 p.m. we came back to Malta. It was funny. Which Resident Evil game? What's the best Resident Evil game I ever played? Well, this is one of them. But my favorite is Resident Evil 2. I'll take it. You never know. Hello, lady. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. There you go. The good thing about those guys, the crawlers, well, four-legged they're called, the good thing about them is that they have very low health. They are very agile, but they have a low health. Ew. 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 Ew.
Sorry, buddy.
How old am I? Old enough. I'm 31 actually. Alright, so I'm full now again.
That pretty little thing will help you find the 2 key cards you're gonna need to join the party we're having over here.
What about this? Cannot be discarded. Send to item box. Does this count as an item box? This is very interesting. Cannot be discarded. Send to item box. I don't know. Should I? Does it count? I don't know. You know what? Let's leave it for now. No. I may need it. Never mind. There you go. Rip. Oh, you're still up. You're a tough one. I gotta break that. Yeah, but my favorite Resident Evil game of all time is RE2. So I can't wait for the RE2. GG, my friend. So, we need to get rid of some items, because I'm full. Let's see. I need to make room for 2 key cards at least, so use and use. I'm sorry. Hold on. Use. I can't? You don't need to use that right now. Uh-oh. We'll see. We'll see what we'll do. You love it, Sam. You love it. Alright, so close. Because I have manners, I close the doors. And out. Take your time, Khalid. Yeah, I agree with you, Blood. I actually agree with you. Ooh. There should be another one here somewhere. It's a powerful gun, but you still need to get the headshots, otherwise you're done. It's a shame you can't discard the keys. Because now, you don't need to use it right now. Ah. Can I send it to the item box? I'm scared to do that. I hope it doesn't count. No, I've never visited. No, never did. Never. You're from Argentina. Wow. People from all over the world. That is awesome. Alright, so what am I gonna do? Can I send things to the item box without it counting? Hold on. Yes. Alright, we'll see. Oh, another herb. Alright, so. Yours is Resident Evil 0 because there's a lot of guessing. Yes, Resident Evil 0 is a good game actually. It's one of the harder ones, I think. That and Code Veronica. I never finished Code Veronica. One of these days I will. Hold on, because I'm confused. Oops. No. I tried to cheat my way. Oh, come on, something like that. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, we almost got it. Come on. There we go. Oh, yes, yes. You can... Oh, I can do that. Hold on. You just gave me an idea, actually. No, I know I only used it once. Item box open once. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's see. Closest save room. Alright. I'm gonna try something. Oh, hello. Let me check again, Mr. Everywhere. Am I still at 17? Yeah, I am. God dang it. Hold on, let me try something. Actually, you know what? No. No need to backtrack for the time being. Hold on. I won't be using the... No, I won't be needing the axe afterwards, so... Hold on. I'm gonna try something. Don't backseat. Let's see. I have to backtrack, but it's okay. It's not like I need the steroid anyway, but waste of time. Shouldn't there be the molded here, the four-legged ones? Or not yet? Oh, there they are. Bye. Is there another one? No? You from Saudi Arabia? Nice. Something like this, perhaps? There we go. So many awesome people. Wesker brought a lot of awesome people with him. Stabilizer. Oh, okay. It's even better than the steroid, actually. Use. So now I can reload faster. Yeah. Now, which room? Which room? Which room? Upstairs. Let's get that key real quick. Yes, I have. I have played The Last of Us. It's one of... I think if it's not the best game I ever played, it has to be one of the best. I think it is the best game I ever played, actually. Last of Us. Naughty Dog really knows how to make a game. Now then, I cannot discard stuff. I hate that. Oh well. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to discard them. Bye. Oh, I think there should be another bag here that makes me carry more stuff. Yes, yes. Now that I threw away my... Oh no! I just discarded 2 of those. God dang it. Ah well. What's over here? Nope. Nope. No chemical fluid. I want to replace those that I lost. Hello, Kimo. Welcome.
Oh my god.
Nope. Alright, let's do this. Alright, out. I hate this area. There we go. Out. Nice try, sucker. Have to take the long way around every single time because I didn't get the key to open that door. Hey, Dada, welcome! Welcome! I was meant to stream this yesterday. Do I need to pick this up? No, no, I don't need to pick it up. Let's go. So as I was saying, I was supposed to... Oh! So as I was saying, I was supposed to do this stream yesterday, but life happens sometimes and it gets in the way. Stupid life. I have to watch some TV. So, before the last patch that they released, you weren't able to stream the game directly from the PlayStation 4 with music. It was just, you know, a muted version. There was no music. I don't know, maybe because of copyright reasons or something, I don't know. But you couldn't stream it out of the PS4 with music. I mean, the streamer would listen to the music, but the people watching the stream would be watching the game without music. Now they released the patch, and everybody can stream music now. It's weird. I find it very weird. Help me, please! Vloggy, please, help me! That is a reference to our Resident Evil Outbreak streams. Because we stream Outbreak online. Me, True, and Amy sometimes as well. Well, most of the time, but she's been absent in our last stream. And it's so much fun. Resident Evil Outbreak is so much fun. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I don't want to look.
Everybody wants to turn back the clock.
Hello, Marco Campo. I just noticed you there. Sorry. Don't you think Resident Evil is kind of Alone in the Dark nightmare? Kind of, yes. But then again, Resident Evil was inspired by Alone in the Dark, huh?
She doesn't understand that I don't want to go back to how things were before my father found y'all. Now everybody wants to turn back the clock. So Ethan, Ethan, you can
I don't know why, but he kind of Lucas kind of reminds me of Seth Green. I don't know why. He reminds me of Seth Green. In a way, I don't know.
Find a goddamn thing, Ethan. You'll need that serum. Ooh, baby. You're gonna have to come through me. You hear? Now, come on, Ethan. What do you say?
Let's go.
Fuck!
Sweet, sweet herbage. As Drew would say.
Woo! You have got a good eye. Careful now. They fight back.
What is this over here? What is this? Nope. Language, Ethan. I don't know if I said hi to you, Elwitchy. I try to make a point to say hi to everyone, but sometimes I fail.
Sorry for the mess. Ooh, guess I'm gonna have to step up my game.
Alright, so that's it. Let's do this.
I know. Fucking password, right?
Okay, Dada, no problem.
don't you try
Take care, buddy. Thank you
0814?
so much for stopping by. I appreciate that.
No! 0621. No. It's 0514. Oh, come on. Take a chance. You never know.
I love the sounds. Listen to the classic sounds of RE3 and Outbreak.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tock, tick, tock.
I always love to do this. Come on, come get me. Come get me. Oh, nice! I didn't get him. Wow. Alright, anything here? I think there should be... Oh, I need to be careful here. Can I shoot the string? I've never tried this. No, it doesn't work. Ah. Never mind. Seriously? Ah, nice. Look, my health is gonna get increased now. I have some blood splattered on the left-hand corner. Look at that. It's gonna go away now because of the steroid. There we go. I like to notice these things. Welcome back, Khaled. Hey, sucker. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Okay, that was a close one. Uh-oh. Seriously? You're a tough cookie, my friend. There's no point in going into the room. Is there? Nope. It's so sad. Take that. And let's go down. I love this gun. But I don't think it's much stronger than the Albert. And with enhanced ammo. Ladies and gentlemen!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the bar. Keep it clean, gentlemen. We have rules.
Uh-oh.
Fuck you too.
It's how you deal with fat man down, fat man down. He was never my favorite anyways.
Logi, you have PS4 and I have PS3. So can to both ID be added? I don't know. Fat man down! Fat man down! Fat man down! For those of you that never realized, this guy is Clancy. This guy is Clancy. Antique coin. No. We're done with coins. What a fat man. Out, down, down, down. It's the same kind of button that there was in the other house. Oh no, you're gonna make me... Oops. I just realized I didn't even read the password. I noticed it was Clancy, but not the password. Nice. Come on. 1408. Good one. Good one. One, 4, 0. No! And this is gonna be the second time. Second time I'm gonna open the item box. Here we go.
That shit you're carrying?
He was burnt when he was in this room. Clancy was burnt when he was in this room. That's why he said you're next, because he's gonna put me through the same puzzle. He thinks he's gonna burn me as well. You see? Yeah, that was Clancy. So, buy stuff.
Have a nice day.
But please, please, please.
Alright, what do you say we play a little game? All you gotta do is light the candle and put it on the cake.
Kiss my ass.
Ethan, language.
Language. There are children in the building.
She's not in the building, she's in your head, actually, but never
I'm
mind.
not sure anymore.
Let's go. Right. I love popping the balloons. It's my new favorite thing. Oh, and guys, I want to buy a lock like these ones. Oh, did you know you can spell different words with this lock? Oh man. Alright, no, seriously. That's a joke for you guys. I want to buy a lock like these. I've been looking online to see if I can find one of these. They're interesting. You like that, huh? You like the joke. Happy, happy birthday. You're supposed to die.
Motherfucker! You're supposed to die!
I think I'm doing good time. I should check the time. Let's see. 1 hour 52. No, I'm not gonna finish it in 2 hours. Maybe 2.5. We'll see. So now is the one last time I'm gonna open the box again. One last time. I have to because I need to get the ingredients. Look at Riptree View! Welcome, Swoppy, welcome. Welcome. There will be no pantalones. There will be no pantalones in the summer. Alright, so once again I need to determine what I need. So that. I need the crank, right? And I need this year's arm. I need to make sure I don't forget anything now. Infinite ammo, yes please. The magnum. Circular saw. More first aid, why not? The herbs, why not? Secrets of Defense, yes please. X-ray glasses, we're good. I think that's it. Don't forget anything else, buddy. Don't forget anything else. We're good. That's the last time I opened the chest. That's it. That's it. That's the last time. I'm gonna save. Now, I'm gonna overwrite. I don't know. Whatever. This. Yes. I'm doing great, Swelby. Thank you for asking. How are you, my friend? Let's go. I got the this year's arm, eh? Yes, I did. Why don't I use the Wesker gun? I don't know. I never use the Magnum. I never use the Magnum because ammo is so rare in this game. You know, it's like a very rare gun. So I decided to go with this one. I don't know.
I'm coming, Mia.
That's good to hear, I'm happy for you, buddy. And maybe once you have gotten used to your schedule, perhaps you can start streaming at a schedule again. Yes? Yes? We want more Swolby streams, huh? Look at that. Hello. Is that one of the ones that I've missed? Let's see. Stats. No, still 17. But have a great time. We're out of here. I'm gonna pick this up. Hold on, what is this? Okay, never mind. I want this. You know what? And this, why not? Yeah, you're right, Swolby, that's right.
Mia. Zoe? Zoe,
Not now. We don't have the time. Do you have
Yes, I
both
do, miss.
ingredients?
Right here. There should be enough, right?
If we make them fast enough, my father and Lucas aren't far away.
He's coming. Daddy's coming.
Good.
I was always
enough
curious
to
what
do.
she was doing in that machine. What's she doing? Grinding them?
So after we make the serum, what's next?
There's a
What
boat
is she
outside.
doing?
We'll take her through the swamp.
That's it.
Neither of us will get very far without the
What if I
serum.
don't free her? What happens?
Hey, one of those is mine.
I never freed her. I'm juicing them. Yeah, that's right. That's right. He's juicing them. Hold on, maybe I should do this. Yeah, she's going this way.
This is getting old, Jack.
Did I get it? I got it, yes. No, I didn't. Did I get it? Ah, crap. Alright, never mind. far away. God dang it. I keep missing that eye. There we go. I don't know why he's climbing up. This is accidental. I wasn't meant to do that. Come on. There we go. Because I know where it is. Oh, come on! There we go. Ah, I hit it once, but... There we go. It's done. It's done. It's done. Kingdom, hello! Sorry, I'm just... Oh, he's done. Sorry. Sorry, I'm busy looking. You got the DLC. It's good. The DLC is good, but in my opinion... Hold on. The DLC is good, but in my opinion, it's overpriced. They're asking too much. The asking price is too much.
Now, I've seen everything.
Ethan, this way.
Use the serum on him.
Oh, come on, whatever. Oh, yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, that is Jack. Look at him, he was gonna grab him. Like, last minute. Last second, he was gonna grab him. But he didn't.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Come on. Mia's waiting for us.
I think Lucas's mystery will be solved with the free DLC, I think. We'll see. Anyway, speaking of DLC, yes, it is good DLC. I love the DLC, yeah? Especially, I loved Bedroom. And I loved... I loved Bedroom and I loved that one. Daughters. That was my favorites.
I had to use one of them. There's only one left.
There's only one left. There can't just be one left.
What the hell are we gonna do now? It's fine. It was foolish thinking I could escape.
But Zoe...
Go! Both of you just go!
I like Zoe's
Come
hair,
with us.
but she's being over dramatic
I'm
right
sure
now.
there's someone who can help.
This is
Come
not
on.
home. Apparently I belong here.
I'll send help.
Don't bother. There won't be anyone left to help!
Bye, Zoe. Drama queen. Yeah, she's a drama queen. Go! Just go! Haven't checked my phone in a while. Hold on, I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'll be right back.
Ethan? Thank you.
Who the hell else was I gonna choose?
Ethan.
Mia, I know you've been through a lot. We need to talk. You had something to do with all this, didn't you? Look, I just want to know the truth.
Ethan, I honestly don't remember.
No, it was Zoe. I think it was Zoe that sent the emails.
Is that the boat?
I think it was Zoe that sent the
Fuck, they're back in
emails
here.
because she needed help. She wants somebody to come and help them. Each person, well, I mean, each person that the Baker family kidnapped, you know, it was one hope for Zoe that they can actually help her perhaps, but they never made
How
it.
was that? What the fuck? What is that? What is that?
This could be the last time I'm streaming from my couch. Very soon my desk will be complete and I will be streaming from my desk. Finally.
Mommy. This way.
Now from now on, I'm gonna have to play the game with whatever the game gives me basically. I can't access my item box from now on. So, it's gonna be tougher, kind of. Because I'm gonna miss my Magnum.
Ethan? Ethan! Ethan! Ethan!
Yeah, it's a good theory, King Tim. Yes, it's true. There's like 2 choppers, but anyway, maybe they were backup choppers, I don't know. I love how they left the story really open, so they can actually give us more sequels and more explanation, and they can go in any direction they want with the story. Because it's not even clear if that Chris Redfield is legit, you know, his cause is legit. I mean, he's with Umbrella. What's the story? Why is the DLC called Not a Hero? We are given the impression that Redfield is the hero because he saved us at the end. He came down on the chopper, blah blah blah. Yeah, he rescued us. But why is the DLC called Not a Hero and it features Chris Redfield? We know he's with Umbrella, so what's going on? You know? And my theory is that Ethan is infected by the end of the game.
They're dead. They're all dead.
Yeah, I mean, the first time, yes, it does make you jump with the jump scares, but then once you get used to them, you know, it's no longer scary.
We need some weapons. Is there any weapons on this ship? I don't know, but...
Mia was infected with the boat, so why, when you see the antitoad on Mia, she don't turn to stone like Jack and Mia? Because she wasn't far gone. That's what they were saying. Like, if you are infected too much, too infected, you're far gone. Maybe she wasn't far gone. There was still hope for her. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I think so too, King Tim. Yeah, that I think so too.
Are you remembering?
What? What are you?
Yeah, there's a lot of mysteries in the game. There's a lot of unanswered questions. And I like that because they can go any direction they want with the story and the sequels and the DLCs and whatever.
You said we could be a family.
Yes, I did, but you didn't listen.
What are you talking about?
You
Said! Wait!
I'm tired of waiting.
Now, we try to remember. Trying to remember how to get the... Quickly. I should have done a quick turn, but I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. In you go. Close the door behind you. Did you see that? That was close. Oops, wrong door. 3rd floor. I kept going up. Stupid.
Watch it.
What? Why?
Because...
You need to remember.
Well, the mud is actually, that's actually mold, the mud. But yeah, it's being generated by the kid because she's a biological weapon and that's how she infects everything. That's, yeah. It's mold. Yes, it's called Not a Hero.
Alan, you're getting worse.
She must have.
No, I don't think there's going to be more DLC for the season pass. No, I think it's done.
Too far.
I think it's done. That's it, those two. Banned footage 1 and 2. As far as I know, I don't know. I could be wrong, but that's all I'm aware of. 1 and 2, that's it.
But it serves me right. It's my fault she got out.
Yeah.
It is your
It
fault.
is your fault. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna let you die.
She didn't attack you?
It's part of her imprinting protocol. I can't believe this is happening.
Here. Take it. It has her tissue samples. You find her.
Alright,
Fix
so...
this.
I think this is the
Okay,
part I'm going to hate the most.
where are
This is the
you?
part I'm going to hate the most because... I have to collect ammo. Like a peasant. Oh man, I have to look around now. I actually have to start looking around and being careful.
She's close.
I don't need the supplements. You know what I'm gonna do first? Actually, look around. Not now.
She's vomiting. Damn. I'll have to reset.
How's it going?
She's vomiting. Far more in excess of her body mass.
Oh, great. We're gonna be seeing a lot more of her ugly friends if this keeps up. All right. We need to find her, and fast. This is getting out of hand.
Agreed.
Yeah. I bought them separately, actually. I bought my DLC separately. Hold on. Oh crap, they're coming now. I don't feel like shooting him. Looks like I'm gonna have to. That's because Resident Evil 6 is not a scary game. That's why. Come on. Really, man? Ooh, good one. Yeah, I wanted to see that happens though. Big Ben raid. Hey, thank you. Oh, hello. Hold on. I need to pause the game again so I can welcome everyone. So, hello, Big Ben Gaming and Ripped Review, Big Ben Raid, Tony Smith. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm doing the resource manager trophy basically. Oh, hello. Shut up. Is he dead? No. Is he? Yes, he is. Okay. I was hoping for more stuff. Come on. Hello, Miss Murder. Hello, Motley. Thank you so much. You, sir. I don't need you. Oh, nice. Your face. So I'm doing resource. Basically, I opened the item box only 3 times. That's what I'm doing. Hello, RJ. Nice to see you all. I need to heal. Do I have a knife? Yes, I do. I forgot. Thank you very much. I'll use that. I'm still fine though. Am I gonna go Gunter stash? Yes, I'm gonna do that. I am really gonna do that, and I'm gonna stream with a mustache, and I'm gonna lose a lot of I'm gonna lose a lot of respect. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I am gonna do that, because that's how I roll. Just the one time though. Come on, close.
Are you mad at me, Mommy?
No, Evie, I'm not mad. Wait, what did you call me?
I don't want to live at the lab anymore. I want a house. And I want you to be my mommy.
Okay, Evie. I'll be your mommy. Just come back with me. Right now.
That's alright, Big Ben.
Okay? Where are you, Evie?
Look, the door he opened. You see, I told her to listen. I'd be her
Evie,
mommy.
wait!
But she didn't listen. You see, she didn't listen to me. That's why I'm no longer her mommy.
Find her.
Yes, but she ran off.
I'd make a great
She's
mommy.
making more friends, Alan. Those things are everywhere.
I told you so.
Are you okay?
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
About getting Evelyn back.
My ding-ding-dong. Come on, come on. Close, close, let's go. Ooh. Seriously, buddy? You really want to hurt me? Do you really want to make me cry? Come on, come on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for the raid and thank you for the recommendation. You guys are awesome. You guys are all awesome. I love you all. Let's go. Out. Ooh. I should have used one of those bombs. Stupid vloggy. Another glue monster. Come on, elevator. Oh, I'm damaged again. Wow.
Emergency safety lockdown system has been engaged.
Magic alcohol sounds like a dream. Now I need some stuff. Give me stuff. Thank you very much. Seriously? Okay. Whew. Okay. Any stuff to pick up? No.
How
Good.
did you get here?
Time for some more water. I'm actually drinking water.
She's out of control.
A rare occasion
Without the treatments,
in
she's
which I'm drinking water during the
deteriorating.
stream.
Well, it's a good thing we're already dying.
Don't say that.
Do I play League of Legends? No. No, that's a very time-consuming game. Hey, Levy, welcome.
She trusts you.
Nice to see you.
That little bitch, she never trusted. Okay, wait.
Evie, no, Evie, Evie.
Alan,
I didn't mean to
listen.
call you that.
You see, he can hear her. That means he's infected.
Control. You have to fight her. Evelyn, stop! Stop right now!
Don't touch me, don't!
It's a very time-consuming game. I try my best not to play RPGs because I don't have time for RPGs. You see, she's infected now. Look at her. Sorry, that wasn't a burp. That was a sound that my throat made after drinking the water, if you heard that. Another thing I noticed... Hold on. Is her hand still... Yeah, it's still kind of infected. I wanted to see that. What RPG are you playing next week, Kingdom? I would like to know. The only RPG that I play is Pokemon. I love Pokemon. As you may have noticed from my sub notifications.
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this...
Oh, Horizon Zero Dawn. It's one of the reasons why I didn't get that game.
Away.
It looked a
Forget
lot
that
like...
you ever knew me.
It felt like Elder Scrolls in a way.
Have a good life.
Alright, we're good here. We're good here. Out. I want to show you something, guys. Look how powerful my knife is. Guys, check this out. Look how powerful my knife is. Look, 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 look. Did you see that?
We'll be together forever.
This is the only cutscene in the game, by the way. No, I don't think I'll ever play League of Legends ever. Not my thing. It's gonna take a while to load, actually. I just realized because it was a tape. We were watching a tape. And tapes take a while to load. Oh, it was nice to meet you too, Ala Shaker. Thank you so much for hanging out. You go get some rest. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Have a good night.
Now do you remember?
Yes, Evelyn. I remember.
Do I play Metal
Can we be
Gear?
a family
Alright,
like before?
bring on the hate. I never played a Metal Gear game in my life. I never played a Metal Gear
We will never be a
game in my
family.
life.
I don't need you anymore.
Shut up or I'll slap you. Alright, so And what else? What else have I never played? Silent Hill games. I never played Silent Hill games in my life ever. I'll take that, thank you very much. Hold on. I need to familiarize myself with... There's a coin in here, yes? I don't think I'm gonna need it. I'll take that. Nope. Thank you. Thank you. Broken. Hello, Clink Clank. Welcome. I like saying Clink Clank. I like saying your username. I love it. So this is locked. No way out. Three times, Levy. I'm done. That's it. No more. Not opening the chest ever again. I'm done. Look. 3 times. That's it. We're done. No more chest. There's nothing to pick up here, huh? No. Down? I'm just gonna look around real quick for some goodies. Nope, nope. Okay, let's go.
Maybe it still works. Ethan,
You leaving, RJ? Thank you so much for hanging out.
I hope I make it in time.
Take care.
Okay, bottom level.
Liar! Stop it, Evelyn!
Let's go.
Fucking hallucinations. Where is she?
Just want to make sure I don't miss anything because... There we go. It's locked. So the machine gun is on the 4th floor. Don't you forget that. Jump down. Am I gonna stream after this? No. I'm rushing this because I'm actually in a rush. I don't have time to stream. Well, technically speaking, I am streaming later today. But not exactly after this. I am streaming again today, but not after this. I like this. I will be streaming around... probably around 10 PM or maybe 11 PM my time. What the? No. Nope. Nope. come on, seriously? I always get these colors wrong. All right. Nope, nope, no more, nothing. Okay, out. Nope, 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 nope. Feels like there's something I might need in this room. No. Thank you. Oh. Nothing. Okay, Caesar, no problem. You gotta do what you gotta do, my friend. What is this? Ah, the key. Alright, 4th floor. Back to the 4th floor. Nope. Vlog, you watched the new Pokemon anime. What do you think about it? I actually liked it. Well, I only watched like the first 2 episodes. It's not as cheesy. What the heck? She fell down. Oops. It's not as cheesy as I thought it would be. But still, 2 episodes is too soon to tell, I think. I watched the first 2 English ones. There's the... Because, I mean, I could have watched the Japanese ones, but I prefer watching them in English. I don't know why. So I watched the first 2 that have been translated. They have been dubbed in English. It's okay. It's okay. You know what I did? Because there's so many Pokemon episodes. You know what I did? I downloaded a list where I can watch all the episodes. That skips all the... Hang on. Am I going the wrong way? Run! Okay. Alright, so, sorry, I get distracted. That skips all the filler episodes. You just get the important episodes, just where he gets a badge, where he captures a Pokemon, wherever he releases a Pokemon. The only important episodes, basically. So, yeah. What time is it right now at my place? It's 1:30 p.m. 1:30 in the afternoon. You know what I'm gonna do? I am going to place one of these on the floor. Like this. Open the door. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Come in, please. Come in, come in. Oh no, my battery is dying. Not good. Hold on. Now I need to get the... I always forget where the sickbay is. This is where it is, actually. This is where I need to go. Sickbay. 9:30 a.m. Wow. I'm gonna plug in my controller once I finish this boat part. Once I finish this area. You know, I don't want to risk it actually. I don't want to run into a boss or something and my controller dies. So I'm not gonna risk it. Hold on, let me plug my controller real quick. Okay, the PlayStation is quite far away from where I am actually. Let me see if I can connect it to my PC instead. Can I do that? Can I charge my... We're about to find out. Let's see if it works. I connected it to my computer. I mean, it should be charging, no? Let's see. Yeah, it's charging. Good. Let's go. 3:30 p.m. Alright. You're ahead of me in 2 hours. You're 2 hours ahead of me. There's a coin here somewhere, yeah? No? 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 Maybe in Madhouse. Uh-oh. I missed my infinite ammo. Oh, hello. I'm gonna try something. I don't know if I'm gonna fail. Hold on before I do. Let me see if there's more stuff around the corner over here, because usually there is. You see, there's another one. So, what the? Yeah, I couldn't close to it. Come on. He's not down, is he? Oh, he is. Rip. Good. In Madhouse you get 2 of these, huh? Hello, Zan. Welcome. Yes, I do have Instagram, but I barely use it. If you want to stay updated about my streams, I suggest Twitter, not Instagram. Yeah, welcome, Zan. So, where am I supposed to go now? Oh, lower floor. I need to obtain that fuse real quick. No, no, climb down. Climb down. Crap. Come on. Ouch, you got me. Nice. Fat man down. You know it, Vegano. Or Vegano. How do I pronounce it? So, we're done here. Yeah? So... yeah. My Twitter is @VloggyBuddy. That's my username, basically. I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm still doing the challenge where I don't open the 4th floor I'm supposed to go. No, not 4th floor. What am I saying? I'm confused. S2 I need to go. Sorry, wrong button, wrong button. No time for that. What the heck? Why is it saying that? What? No, it's not the time for that. Now's not the time for that. What? What's going on? This is strange. What the heck just happened? Did I break the game? I know the word vegan, but not vegano. Or vegano. But that's just me probably being stupid. Okay, why is this not working? Is it... Where am I supposed to go? Okay, this is weird. Is it not S2 where I'm supposed to go? Yes, S2. So why is it saying no time for that? What's going on? What am I doing wrong? Hello, Pixel. Welcome, welcome. Something's wrong. I think I broke the game or something. Oh, now it's working. What the heck? What happened? Ah, okay. There it is. It's in Spanish. That's why. Stupid me. Not right after this, no. It's gonna be a couple of hours before my next stream because I have... I need to go out. Out, dodge, 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 dodge. Bobbing and weaving, bobbing and weaving. Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh, another one. Hello, well, if I could hit you, that would be great. Run, 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 run. Robot, no, seriously? Oh, crap! He got in, eh? Oh, he didn't. Sucker! Wait a second, did I go around in circles? Hold on. No, no, no. I didn't. I thought I did. Hello, Evelyn. What time will I... local time, I can tell you. Or, let's see. Now it's 1 p.m. Let's call it 2 p.m. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In about 8 hours, I'll stream again, probably. In about 8 hours. Hey, Carl! Do I see you tonight at the Batcave? Yes, Carl! Hang on, I need to cough. Hold on, I'm gonna mute real quick. Hold on. Alright. Ah, man. So, yes, make sure to subscribe if you're interested in my streams. I hate asking for subscriptions, honestly. I hate asking because it's not, you know, if you enjoy the stream, you automatically know that you want to subscribe, you know, so I hate asking. But I do like to remind people to like the stream because people tend to forget. I am one of them, you know. So if you are enjoying the stream, I am a very small channel. I'm trying to grow. So I appreciate a like. It helps me a lot.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Thank you so much.
Hell, I'd never.
I'm gonna shut up because this is a very interesting cutscene.
What do you mean?
I'm no killer, son. Neither is Marguerite, nor my boy Lucas, or even Zoe here. That girl Evelyn, she did this.
What the hell is she? No, what did she do to you?
She infected us with her gift. That's what she calls it. I found her near a busted out tank in the bayou. Everything changed after that.
So she infects you and then she takes control?
No. Not exactly, son. She just... She forces her way into your mind, your soul. You can't fight back. You are connected to her, and you can't resist the urge to. Oh, you're a different person after that.
Just like Mia. So Mia sent me that message because of Evelyn.
Listen, the girl just wants a family of her own. She's the key. All right? You find her and you stop her. Ethan, free my family. Please.
This is another reason why I think Ethan is actually infected, because there is no way for him to know what was going on, but he just spoke to Jack somehow. So he must have been infected as well, must have been another vision connected with the interweb mold things. If that explains it. But yeah, it makes that scene makes me feel sorry for Jack and his family, because now we know that they're not really meant to be like that. Evelyn's there watching behind her. No, she's not. No, I thought she was.
Mia, how?
There's no time.
There's Evelyn
You
over
have
there.
to get out of here and find her. Here, take this.
What?
Wait, what are you doing?
No.
What are you doing?
Sha. Don't send me nudes, please. Yes, send them private messages. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Oh, you. I'm kidding.
Mia!
No! The worst, no, actually, is the fact that I don't have anything now on me except this. This is the only item I'm gonna have to carry for the rest of the game.
Okay, you little bitch. Where the fuck are you?
It's gonna be horrible. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but look at all the fish on the floor. I just realized. Hey, V4! First thing I see in the chat. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Hey, Steven Roger. The first thing you see in chat. Welcome, V4. Oh, come on. You are naughty. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I was watching Wesker play this. If I'm not mistaken, I saw Wesker picking something up somewhere in the water. I don't know where. I saw him picking up something in the water. I don't know. I think it was somewhere over there. Let's see. Was it somewhere over here? I remember him picking something up. Somewhere around this area. Oh, I was right. I was right. Flame rounds. I'm gonna pick those up. Because I have a theory. They said that if you don't pick up the grenade launcher at an early stage in the game, you get to pick it up afterwards. So maybe I'll find the grenade launcher waiting for me over here. That is my theory. We'll see. No thanks. 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 How are you, V4? How are you doing? Let's see if I get the grenade launcher. Is it there? Is it there waiting for me? Do I see it? It's there! Yes! Now I have a weapon. Enhanced gun ammo. No, no. What is this? Okay. Nope. I don't need to do the radio thing. Yeah! Grenade launcher! I have 2 rounds. I have 2 rounds and I need to make them count. There's the chest that I cannot open anymore. I have to start over now, even with healing items. This is gonna be tricky, this part. over here. How many are there? Oh man. Can I pull this off? Oh! Nice. I can get past you. I think. Down, 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 down. I did it. Okay. Whew. It's not gonna be easy. I just used the only 2 rounds I had, but it's fine. I'm gonna do this. I don't even have a knife to open the boxes. God dang it! We'll see. Come on, get out. Ah, not good. But I have an idea. Ah, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come get me. Crap! Not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. Keep running, buddy. Ah, point of no return. Checkpoint. They're not coming down, are they? No. They are coming down. No. I did not know that. I thought they would stop. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Is there anything that I can pick up? I'm not gonna bother. Keep going, bud. Keep going. Keep going. Anything here that I can pick up? Maybe healing? Nothing? Nope. I have a problem. I cannot get past this. I have to take the damage. I am so ruined right now. Ah. Eric is lurking. Sorry, I'm missing chat. What's this challenge about? Oh, yeah, sorry. So basically, what happens is I open the chest 3 times only, and I run out of chances. I only opened it 3 times. I already opened it 3 times, so I can't open it anymore. So I have to do with what I have, basically. That's what's going on. Yeah. I don't think I can get underneath the wire here. I'm gonna try, but I'm gonna get damaged, I think. We'll try. Let's see. Ooh, I did it! Alright, I was ready to take the damage, but looks like I did it. Okay, good. Thank you for the tip. Nice. Okay, so, what else can I pick up? Oh, sweet, sweet herbage. Oh, nice. Steroids. Watch my health increase again. Nice. I have no ammunition, nothing. This was an interesting challenge. I think it's about to get harder though, huh? I think it's gonna get tougher now. Is it ready? Yes? Let's go. Necrotoxin. Out. Oh, look at the chest. It's mocking me. Flame rounds. Nice. I think I'm gonna save here. Not that there's a point actually, but let's just save to be on the safe side. Alright, let's go. Oh, down here actually. I need to make a run for it now. No, 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 I can't get past them! I can't get past them! Thank you. No, 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 don't you dare. I'm gonna save these 2 rounds for the fat guy. Fat guys, because there are gonna be 2 of them, yeah? Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Oh man, no, no. I had to do this. No choice. Oh, and he's not even dead. Come on, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Oh, come on. Anything I can pick up here? No, no, no. Oh, seriously? Seriously, game? Seriously? Out, out, out. No, 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 no. Ouch, ouch. Okay, heal, heal. Run. Jump, and we're done. We're out of here, I think. Almost, almost. 1 more damage, and we're done. Okay. I only have 1 round left, though. Okay. Whoa. Okay. We're done. Now I only have 1 round left, and I need to do the... How many of these are there? 1 or 2? 2 of them. Okay, no problem. Come over here. Come over here. Let's see if we can do this. No! This is not gonna be... uh-oh, uh-oh, this is where it's gonna... this is what I was worried about. This was it. This is what I was worried about. This right here. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. I am not gonna make it. Oh man, this is it. Oh, this is it. He's waiting for me over there. Unbelievable. Oh, I did it! I did it! My heart is pounding like crazy. Joke's on you guys. Haha. Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great time. My heart is pounding. I did it. Whew. Wow, that's it. That's the hardest part of the game, I think. That was the hardest part. If I do say so myself. Ah, be nice, Var. Come on. The Stephens. Come on. That's not nice. You're mean. V4, you're mean. Mind map, okay. I'm gonna save one last time because I'm not so sure what I'm about to do counts as a usage of the item box. I'm gonna try something. I don't know if you can run faster unarmed. I don't think you can, no. We'll see. Let's try it. Let's try the experiment. Let's see. No, it's pretty much the same. No, it's just the same. There's stuff in the box that I can't take. Never mind. So I'm gonna try something now. I used the item box 3 times. But I'm gonna do something. I don't know if it counts as a usage, so we'll see.
I'm sure of it. It's not here. It's gone. It's gone!
Because I'm totally unarmed now. I'm going up against Evelyn totally unarmed.
This is your fault.
Why am I saying?
Ethan, it's okay. It's okay, it's me. I know you did it.
When you save it never reaches 100%. 100% of what?
But you shouldn't have done that! It fucking hurts!
Does it want to be my daddy? Then he can die.
You see, now he is seeing Evelyn.
Now it's Mommy's turn.
That
to
means he's
kill
infected.
you.
He is infected.
You're gonna be one of us. And then maybe you'll play nicely.
I'm not.
Oh, it never does. Never reach 100%. Interesting.
No! Get that away from me!
Bye, don't kill me. Alright, so I'm gonna try something now. And I hope it works because otherwise there's no way to defeat Evelyn. I hope it works, I hope it works, I hope it works.
Get away!
Oops.
Don't!
I'm gonna die on purpose, guys. I'm gonna die on purpose now, alright? I'm gonna die on purpose.
Get away!
No, I don't get the option. Alright. I don't get the option here. That's fine. That's fine. It's okay. No, I don't really add people on PS4. I don't even play online. I don't even play online. There's no point to adding people. And the only people I add is just actual close friends, you know? I'm actually thinking of cancelling my PS Plus. Because I really don't play online. Nothing. Let's try this.
Get away!
I'm gonna have to die on purpose one more time. I'm gonna try something now. I don't know if it's gonna work. I hope it does.
You.
Let's see. Now I'm gonna die on purpose one more time. I mean, there's nothing else I can do, really. It's not like I can fight her. I have nothing. So let's die now. Kill me, please. Because there's nothing here. Oh, look, shotgun shells. And enhanced ammo. Okay, but still nothing. There's nothing I can do. Eat me, babe. Eat me. Let's see. You are dead. Manage items. Okay, here it comes. Manage items. I can still access the... How did you use the syringe without any needle? Come on. You see, I can manage the items now, and it won't count towards opening the item box, I hope. So now I can get my stuff. Let's see. You've taken me as things, okay. Let's see, I hope this works. I hope this works, otherwise I am failing. Infinite ammo, magnum. That's it. I don't need anything else, really. Maybe just defense. Alright, I hope this doesn't count towards... I hope this doesn't count. We'll see. I hope this count. I hope it doesn't count as using the item box. We'll see. Actually, we can check right now. Yes, 3 times. It still shows 3 times. Haha! Haha! Booyah! All right. Prepare to die. In your face. In your face. In your face. Uh-oh. I need to reload the gun now. That's so good that it doesn't count towards the usages. Ethan was having a rough day today.
You're just a little boy.
There we go. Bye, have a great time. Use it! It's a Magnum, Levy. It's a Magnum. I wanted to use the Magnum for once in my life because it's such a rare gun, you know? This is the Albert. Here it comes.
Playtime's over.
This one's for Wesker. For the raid. Thank you! GG. Because it's the Albert gun. Albert Wesker. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Where's my trophy? Give me my trophy! Thank you, Sha Sha Sha. And thank you, Seze. Thank you so much. There it is, Resource Manager. Gotcha! Thank you, V4. Thank you, Kimmel. Yes, it is. Yes, it is the Samurai Edge. Yes, I knew that. I knew that. I'm Redfield. Thank you, Jill. Thank you, Vigano. Thank you, Zan. Thank you, Gideon. You're finding it hard to believe that this is actually Chris Redfield. He looks different because he has been what's the word?
The fuck took you guys so long?
Redesigned. Retextured. That's the word, perhaps. Yeah. He's been retextured. So of course he looks different. He looks better now. And obviously he's older, of course, so he does look a bit more different.
Mia. You made it. I'm glad.
Did I?
It is really Chris, exactly, Lava. People say it's a clone, blah blah blah, because he's with Umbrella. Well, something is up. He's in an Umbrella chopper.
Closes,
and for some reason, the game tells us that he's not a hero. For some reason, I don't know.
And what a long night it was.
Everything will be...
But not just for me.
Me and I won't be the victims.
So were the Bakers.
Thank you so much for hanging out, Cesar. Thank you so much. Take care.
That way.
See you next time, Umbrella Corporation.
But now Evelyn's dead. And these guys are here to clean up the mess. I had just come to terms with losing Mia. But now she's back.
I'm gonna hunt down.
Start over.
I'm gonna hunt down the other trophies as well.
Maybe this is where the next door opens.
I want to get the Mr. Bobbleheads and even the coins. Those are easy ones. I should get those. I love this song so much. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. I am gonna go. Thank you, Lava. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for subbing. Thank you so much for the likes. I appreciate. Thank you, Wesker, for the raid. He's probably sleeping now. Getting some well-deserved. Unless he's streaming. Is he? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out. I think he is sleeping, yeah. Yeah, he's sleeping. He is sleeping. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end off the stream right after the song, but I'm gonna go on mute to enjoy the song. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye! See ya! Take care! Bye, have a great time!
She'll run to him like he's the one. His arms outstretched, but when she's done, he'll be torn